Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 E350 4MATIC. This one is a indigo blue. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package with a sports interior and exterior look. 17-inch fast spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB Tex interior with a burr walnut trim. Sunroof. E350 4MATIC badging. Opened up the tailgate. We got a set of all-season and regular floor mats. Comfort box for extra storage. This one does come with the Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Up and in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, rear shade, dual climate controls, cup holders. This E-Class has 78,209 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.